Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we are learning how to sort data in Microsoft Excel and how to pick some random data. So let's open up an Excel spreadsheet, like maybe for instance this one right here. And here we got some data. Got male, female on the side, we got grade levels, we got beep test scores, got all kinds of data. So let's say you wanted just like grade 9. The way to do that is you can highlight right here from the top. Highlight them all. Click on this over here, or let me scroll that down a bit. Click on this, sort and filter. Click on filter, and it creates this little drop-down menu, so you can sort by whatever you want. You can sort by grade level, maybe descending, and 9 comes on the top, or ascending, and 7 comes there. You can sort by gender. Okay, so male or female. You can sort by whatever you want. So, like, if you want, like grade 7 males, for instance, you can then take their beep tests. So I'm going to take their beep tests here. I'm going to copy and paste and put it into a new sheet if I want to work with it. I like to do that so I don't mess up the original spreadsheet. There's no way that can happen. So that's all the grade 7, was it grade 7? Yeah, grade 7 male beep test scores, right? Now there's 39 numbers in this list, or subtract 2. Let's say I want to get 25 data values from these numbers. Then one way to do it is to put in equals rand. It produces a random number. You can just close the bracket and it produces a random number. So I'm going to put these down here, and actually I should have done it over on the right. Because now we have a bunch of random numbers. I will not work with these random numbers though, because each time you click on one and you press enter, it actually changes the number. So I'm going to copy and paste special, and just the values. When you do values, it forgets about the formula you used, and it's just the numbers. So now we have just the numbers. You see the original one's already changed. Let's just delete that now, because we don't need that anymore. We just have a bunch of random numbers. And what you can do now is you can actually do the same thing as before. You can go click on this filter. You can click like descending or ascending, and it sorts the other side too, right? So now if you take the first 25, they are random, right? If I didn't use the random number and resort, they're not really random. They're just the first 25, but these are sorted by random numbers. So these are actually random, okay? So if you copy and paste that, and all of a sudden now we got a sample of 25 random numbers. Well, actually 24, but it's totally random. So that's how you can pick a random sample. It's probably a quicker way to do it, but this way was pretty quick and it's quite effective.